How to change Brawl Stars password. I am going to show you how you can easily change Brawl Stars password. Open Supercell ID website and click Log In the top right corner. Log into your account and click the Editor tab. Click Settings and select Change Password. Enter the old and the new passwords and click Change Password to save the changes. You are done. That is how easy it is to change your Supercell ID password. With this new password, you can now access all your Supercell ID games and services with improved security and safety. Having a secure Supercell ID password is a necessary safeguard in having uninterrupted access to Supercell games. Facing the risk of having your account hacked or compromised should be enough motivation to make sure your password is secure. Make sure your password is unique. Do not use passwords that are similar to other sites or accounts. Make sure it is different and complex enough that it is difficult to guess. Change your password regularly. Make it a habit to update your password every couple of months to protect your account from any security breaches. To keep your password safe, make sure you're the only one who knows it and avoid using it on other servers or sites. Use 2FA. Setting up 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Supercell account. That way, even if your password is stolen, your account can stay safe. By following these steps, you can prevent any potential threat to your Supercell account. Having a secure password is important for keeping your account safe. So keep in mind to take the necessary steps and make sure your Supercell password stays secure.